My name is Connie. Some people call me Dawn, that's why it's CND. And now I'm collaborated with Jenny's, which is my mom. So originally it was a country and western bar, which my mom used to play a lot of country music, and I grew to get into it. So my brother, when my mother passed on, Jenny, my brother runs this place. I was next door, little country bar, of course, which was called 10 square feet of Texas then. Now we're over here, it's now 50 square feet. So it's now CND/Jenny's, 50 square feet of Texas here in Negril. The only place in Jamaica that plays country and western music all day, 24 hours, all through the year. Sometimes I get beaten up. Can we hear some reggae? Sure you can. We drop in some nice old Willie Nelson doing some reggae. And of course there's this new CD out. I'm not really promoting the CD, but it's good. It's called Reggae Gone Country. So we'll put that in, and that's some reggae. Basically here, as you see, we have a lot of cowboy hats. I'm wearing one. We do something very unusual here also. If you ever heard of the geocaching, that's a search. It's a GPS thing that they search. It's up there in that booth over there. And it's the clue for it is called the Jamaican cowgirl. So I get a lot of European people come in. They go in that shoe and they'll exchange different tokens that goes all over the world. So that's a plus for us. And of course, we do this very special cake that kicks a punch, and you have to take instruction. Whatever I give, you follow. And of course, we have the best rum punch. We have the best fried chicken. We do a barbecue every last Thursday when it's busy. It's slow down now. Sometimes we do a little chili special. We do the chili dog. And basically, beer is very cold. We're the only people who serves beer in a koozie. So basically, you'll be hearing country music all the time. And of course, we have snacks over there. We do fried fish. We do lots of cakes different from the special one. We open from 8 until whenever. But basically, 10:30, if there's not anybody here, we start closing up. It's getting slow now, so sometimes on a Sunday we don't do breakfast, but we open, say, around 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But basically, we're here every day. One Love Drive, the association, it's been very good to us. Sometimes we have our ups and downs, but you have the tour bus that comes around, and you have Kuba over there who is very enlightening at times. And you know what I love about him? He just tell them straight as it is. If something is not right, he ain't going around the bush, he's gonna say it. I'm kind of like him, so sometimes Lambert and I, we argue, but we're still buddies. We're still buddies. Well, we need everybody to come over to here, and trust me, you won't regret anything. You love it. And if you just want to make a little more certain, go on the TripAdvisor and you can check out Country and Western Roadside Pub, and you'll see all those good reviews that I get. So then it can tell you a little more than what I am saying. And I'm also on Facebook, so that's a plus also. So the cards, I gave up my cards, and you just go there, you send me a friend request, and we communicate a lot on Facebook. We do the barbecue like every last Sunday. Sometimes, like, it's getting slow now, so we don't do it like every, but when it's in the busy side. But as I say, we do the best rum punch. As a matter of fact, I think we do the best dirty bananas too. So if you want to get a dirty banana, why not? And of course, we do the mushroom tea. So if you want to see visuals, you got to come here also. We have the best mushrooms. Everybody come over. It's open. It's nice. We have open air, and you know, you can go outside and do your puff if you want to. We have space for that. Over there, we used to call it the stupid zone then, because when you drink and you smoke, you get a little more stupid. So you can go to the stupid zone and do your thing.